In this video, I'll show you how to write a LinkedIn post with Claude AI. This is a quick way to create professional posts for networking, sharing updates, or building your personal brand. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a LinkedIn post. For example, I might type, "Write a LinkedIn post announcing a new project launch." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a professional LinkedIn post, usually including a clear message and sometimes a call to action. If I want the post to be more specific, I can include additional details in the prompt, such as the topic, tone, or target audience. For example, I might type, "Write a LinkedIn post sharing productivity tips for remote workers." I can also ask Claude to add hashtags or make the post more engaging for LinkedIn readers. Once the post looks good, I can copy the text and paste it into LinkedIn before publishing it. And that's it. I've successfully created a LinkedIn post using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.